beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full tutorial using the Bperfect Manifest Palette. If you watched yesterday's upload, I did a full unboxing of the £25 mystery bag that they put up for Black Friday, and I had very mixed opinions on it. This eyeshadow palette literally made the full bag, and the rest of it was kind of like tanning and accessory stuff. I will leave it linked down below for you to go see exactly what's in it. And I wanted to add some information to that video because I realised afterwards that my goodie bag didn't have the full amount of products in it that it was meant to have. So on their Facebook, on their Instagram, it says that you get 6 products in the goodie bag, and unfortunately mine yesterday only had 5, so I am missing a product, which makes sense because I did say in yesterday's video that Alex got her, I thought it was a lipstick, but it was a lip gloss that she got on hers. So Alex got like 2 makeup products and then some accessories and some tanning stuff, whereas obviously I got the eyeshadow palette and the accessories. So it wasn't until I was talking to my patrons that were like, Lucy, you only got 5 and you went to get 6. So I've messaged them on Instagram and they've sent me like a contact us form that I have to fill in on the website. So I'm going to have to do that tonight and see if they get back in touch with me. So I will keep you updated along the way. So hopefully they will replace the one thing that was missing from my goodie bag. But yeah, it makes sense now because I was like a bit disappointed with the bag anyways, but also now the fact that I'm missing a product from it is really disappointing. And I know I'm not the only one because a lot of the people have said that they didn't get 2 makeup products either and they only got 5 products. So I'm noticing it's quite a common theme around the goodie bags, but the screenshots of the Facebook group and the Instagram that were sent to me, and that is still on their website right now, says 6 items inside the goodie bag and not 5. So if you got 5, make sure that you contact them on the contact form on their website, because if you message them on Instagram, they're only going to tell you to do that anyways. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that you are meant to get 6 items in that and not 5. And I know some of you are saying in the comments like I know one of you said like the lip gloss that you got was like a horrible kind of like concealer colour as well. So yeah, I think it's just not been the best goodie bag, not gonna lie. I'm really hoping that my Charlotte Tilbury one, my P. Louise one and my Doll Beauty ones are a lot better, because they're going to be coming very, very soon. It's literally as soon as they come, I'll get the video up that night or the night after, depending on what time they come as well. So anyways, let's just get straight into it. We're going to be putting this to the test. So it came in the £25 goodie bag, and this is what it looks like. The only way that you can buy this palette is by buying through their gift set that they have on their website, which is just short of £40, and I think it's still on Boots for £40 as well. But you do also get some other things in that gift set, and my friend Claire has done a full tutorial on this as well, so I'll leave hers linked down below. I also linked it on yesterday's video as well, but just in case you want to see another makeup look and exactly what was in that gift bag. If you are new here, by the way, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you are new or have you been here for a little while, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. Please go into my 10,000 subscriber giveaway linked down below as well, and have a little look at my Patreon. I put a little video on information and everything for it below. If you do want to join, it's like an exclusive little community for my subscribers, and it has like an exclusive Facebook group. We chat all day long in our group chat as well, so I'll leave out the link down below. But let's get into the swatches, because this palette, like these pans are actually huge. So let's just get straight into it. So this is what the palette looks like swatched. These shades, can I just say, are absolutely beautiful. We're definitely going to be using this glitter like 100%. Have you seen that? This one didn't swatch as kind of opaque as the gold one. So it says in the back that it comes with 7 velvet mattes, 2 glitters, 1 Luxe shimmer and 2 marble eyeshadows. So the Luxe shimmer is this shade here, which is Buzzing, which actually looks beautiful. Then obviously we have the 2 glitters here, and then these are the 2 marble ones here, which look beautiful. Let's put this on my eyeballs. I must admit this headband is just it just isn't doing it for me. I'm gonna wear it just because of the video, but yeah, just isn't my thing. I feel like I was being reborn putting it back on. I'm just like the whole time. Anyways, I'm gonna put some P. Louise base on. I don't even know where it is. Let me have a little dig it out. I'm just gonna take the normal one, which is the shade number 2, Rumour. And I'm just going to pop this all over my eyes and tap it out with a big fluffy brush, just like always. And I'll be back in a minute. My face, honestly, getting that hairband on was traumatic. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to start with the shade Instaglam. Yeah, this is just purple dark one here. And I'm just going to be taking a little fluffy brush and I'm going to pack this right into that crease. So I'm literally just doing like little tapping motions and kind of just like wiggling it just to get that intensity right in there. So I'm just going to continue just tapping this right into that crease, just really building up that pigmentation. Okay, so now that we've got this extreme shape down, we're not going to blend it, we're just going to leave it like that, and we're going to go in with the Trance shade, which is this bright pink here. And I'm just going to take a kind of basically the same brush that we've just used, but a smaller one. Let's go for this one. Let's see what this one's going to be like. This is the Kit Stars S32 shader brush. It's just a little bit stained at the moment, but it is clean. This looks so pigmented. Ooh. Oh my god. The pigmentation in this palette straight away is just out of this world. And what I'm doing is I'm literally just tapping this kind of half on the purple and half on my skin that has no shadow on. I don't know if you can see like that. And then what we'll do afterwards is we'll go in and blend it all together. So now that we've packed both of them colours on, obviously it's looking quite bold and not blended at all. We're going to go in with a clean brush. It's just a cheap one that I got off eBay, and I'm just going to lightly, just blend these edges, and I'm just going to take my time with it as well. My finger hurts from blending already. I haven't even got far. Okay, so I've blew it all out, I've added the pigmentation up to where I want it to be, and I think I'm going to change up what we're doing. We're not going to go in with a cut crease. I've actually got purple eyeshadow all over my desk. We're not going to go in with a cut crease. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the shade In the Mix 96, which is this purpley marble toned one. And I'm going to pack this with my finger all over the lid, quite like messily and just nice. And then we'll go in with the I Love, which is that really intense one here in my inner corner, and then I'm going to do a really glittery under eye. I just feel like the cut crease and the glittery under eye might just be a bit too much. So yeah, we're going to do it like that. So let's go in with the shade In the Mix 96. Oh my god. And actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the brush that we used to pack on the Instaglam, and I'm just going to fill this little gap up in the middle here, just so that the full lid has all of that purple on it. And then I'm gonna go in and, oh my god, that is beautiful, and just start putting this on the lid. And obviously I'm not using any kind of glitter glue or anything like that. It's just going on beautifully. This is so super soft in the pan, not like soft where it's gonna crumble everywhere, just buttery smooth. There's quite a bit of fallout so far. So I'm just going to I'm just going to pack this all over the lid. Oh my god, can you see how much fallout? There's absolutely loads of fallout, considering it's not even a glitter. It's like a shimmery marble kind of one. I'm guessing the gold that's in that marble eyeshadow is maybe glitter, because that's gone literally everywhere. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Instaglam with the original brush that we used, and just pack this on this outer corner, just to add that bit of depth back in and to blend it in nicely with that purple shimmer. That is beautiful. And obviously you could just leave it there and finish off the under eyes and put obviously the rest of your makeup on. However, we're going to go to the next step. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup. It's going to be so difficult to do a glittery under eye without getting it all over my makeup. But let's see what we can do. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup, and then we'll come back and we'll try this Pride shade underneath my eye. Before we do that, actually, let's put some on the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with just this little Morphe M149 brush. It just looks like this, really tiny. And I'm going to take the shade I Love, which is the other marble one, and I'm going to put this on this inner corner. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, hiccup. That is really pretty. This is very similar. It's very, very, very shimmery and very glittery like the other marble one. And just so easy to apply. You don't need to wet your brush or anything like that. Just bam, in the inner corner. Wow. Okay, so I've just put my foundation and my concealer on. I didn't want to put anything else on just in case I do get any fallout and we need to wipe anything off or readjust anything. Let's just see how we get on with this. So I'm going to start with a little brush to begin with. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M507 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Instaglam, which obviously is that dark purple that we started off with. And I'm going to start by putting this close to the lash line as possible. Okay, I feel like I've gone a bit too blown out, but whatever. I need to think of a brush that we can use to pack this glitter underneath the eye. I don't really know what one to do. Let's try this one. This is the Morphe B16 brush, which is tiny. And I'm going to begin by just picking up some of this glitter. And I'm just going to try and just tap that underneath. I want to see what it's like without, oh, that is beautiful. I want to see what it's like basically without any kind of like glitter glue or anything like that. And wow, so far so good. I'm literally just kind of packing this along the lower lash line. Wow, can you see that? Like literally impressed isn't even the word for it. And I don't know how I feel about this eyeshadow look, to be honest with you. It's probably not my best. However, this glitter has literally just stuck right on there. Like we actually had more fallout from the marble eyeshadow than what we had from the glitter. I don't think I like the eyeshadow look though. But I'm going to do the other eye and then see how I feel about it. Yeah, so I wasn't 100% happy with how blown out and how thick the blown outness was. So I basically wiped this edge off, reblended it and just done it so it wasn't as intense. And I think I prefer it so much more now. I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup. I just wanted to let you know what I've done different. I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be back with you in a second. And we'll do my final thoughts and see what it looks like all together. Okay, so I finished off the rest of my makeup. I've just had a meltdown trying to get the rest of this done. Just hasn't been going right for me at all, this makeup look, but I feel like it's kind of paid off in the end. If you're wondering, by the way, what blusher I've got on, I've ended up going for like a mix of 3 different ones from Doll Beauty. So I took the pink and purpley shades from the Beach Please blusher, just looks like this, and I also took C La Vie. And I basically just used a mixture of them two on my cheeks. Then I looked a bit stupid and a bit like a doll. So I tried to blend it out a little bit with Take Me to the Peach, which is obviously a more peachy colour. And yeah, this is how I kind of ended up with this look. And for my lips, in case you're wondering, I've gone in with a new look lip liner. I don't even think they do this anymore, to be fair. But this is just a really, really dark lip liner. It just looks like, oh my god, this one here, like just a really dark burgundy purple. And then I went in with the Kat Von D, which is now KVD Beauty and Vegan Beauty. This is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in LUV, which is basically just love. So it just looks like this. And I topped it up with an oldie, but a goodie, one of my first MAC purchases. This is the lip gloss in Viva Glam Miley Cyrus. Just looks like this. I think, apart from it being on my teeth, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I really want to try the Buzzing shade. Oh, just dropping things on the floor, which is this one here, as a highlighter. So I'm going to get my highlighter brush and let's see what this looks like. Because I haven't put any highlighter on yet, so we could try this together. Ooh, she nice. It is a very kind of icy, icy white shade. Can you see that? I really hope that it's reflecting well. I'm going to take a tiny little bit of Higher Love and just blend that in just to make it just a little bit more warm, just because we do have that Higher Love in our inner corner and on our brow bone. Oh, it's made it go with a bit of a funky colour actually. Honestly, this makeup look, the stress that this makeup look has given me today is just not worth it. Honestly, but wow. Until I put that gold on and mix them together, it doesn't really look the best, like kind of facing forward. You can see like a shadow there. Apart from that, that is beautiful. Oh my god, it looks an absolute mess. Oh, I just can't handle this makeup look any longer. I don't have the energy for this. I think this is the best that we're going to get with this makeup look. Let's zoom out and let's do my final thoughts on this Manifest palette. Okay, so like I said, I did get this in the Bperfect mystery bag, and I will leave the video link down below for you to go check that out. Let's round it all up. So this costs £25 within the mystery bag. You can also get it in the £40 Boots and Bperfect gift set. It's also on the Bperfect website as well. If you're spending £50 on the website, you get free postage. Otherwise, you have to pay for postage. So it might be better off getting it actually on the Boots website. To kind of round this all together, I think these eyeshadows are absolutely beautiful. I think the payoff of them is gorgeous. The pans are huge. I'd love to know how much it's actually worth as a retail price, and whether they're going to bring it out individually or whether it's always going to be something that you can only buy in that gift set, which would be a shame if it is, because then you would have to pay more money just to get the palette. But like I said, these pans are huge. The pigmentation is unbelievable. And that glitter shade literally stuck underneath my eyes with no glitter glue, no eyeshadow primer, like literally nothing on there apart from concealer that had been set down. But then I'd already put an eyeshadow on top of that anyway, so it wasn't even like it was sticky. And then I put that glitter on and it's just stuck. It's just stayed there. There was no fallout from it, literally. There was more fallout from that purple shimmery marble shade instead. So I just think this is an absolutely beautiful palette. And I know when I put that video up last night, my friend Rachel messaged me and said this is the first eyeshadow palette that she's seen where she's liked every single colour within the eyeshadow palette. And that's, like, for Rachel to say that is a lot. So it shows that it is a really, really good eyeshadow palette. I would highly recommend. Please let me know if you want to do another look with this, because I'd like to do a bit more of maybe like a grungy look actually, and use this secret glitter instead. But there is quite a few different looks that you could do with this, and I love the fact that there is a variation of mattes in here too. I just hope that they do bring this out individually so you don't have to spend like £40 to get your hands on it. But this literally made that goodie bag. I know I said at the beginning that obviously I was missing an item from the goodie bag. This literally made it. If this wasn't in there, I would have been gutted. So yeah, very, very, very impressed. And I hope you really enjoyed it. There'll be a brand new video coming tomorrow, so hopefully see you then. Don't forget to enter my huge 10,000 subscriber giveaway, and let's do a little thank you to my patrons on the next bit. And then there's also going to be my giveaway and other video for you to watch afterwards as well. So hopefully you will enjoy them, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.